15 reps, single leg with 20% of your body weight loaded, 20 reps, double leg with 20% of your body weight loaded, and 15 reps, single leg with 20% of your body weight loaded. These are 3 of the ankle ability targets that I use to rebuild my ankles after years of having damage from running. But back when I was injured, I wasn't even close to hitting any of them. And when you don't have the ability to use your ankles like this, then you can't expect to be able to run without ever getting ankle issues because you just don't have the right foundations yet. So welcome to how you can overcome ankle injuries using the running ability program. My full recovery started in Unlock with the FHL calf raises week 1, starting to build these to undo the tightness through my calves. In the beginning, start with your feet closer to the wall to make it easier because you have to go through less of a stretch. Then as the weeks go on, start getting stronger through a fuller stretch with your feet a lot further from the wall until you're able to handle single leg reps through a full stretch with control and no pain. Plus, we're using tibialis raises to start rebuilding shin strength from scratch. First, flex the quads to make sure you're only using your shin muscles. Lift the front of your foot as high as you can on every rep and control down instead of just dropping your feet. In the Unlock program, we're building up to 25 reps per set. If you fail before your 25 reps are done, just rest, wait, and then continue once you're fully rested until you hit your 25. And throughout that process, we're also starting to build up our bent leg calf raises to help our Achilles recover along with the rest of our ankle. I have 3 points to cover here. First, make sure your knee to your shoulder is in one straight line throughout your entire reps. Also, notice how my knees are not extending as I go up. We're keeping the knees bent and only pushing through the calves. Lastly, notice how this position that we're going into is the exact same position we go into and out of when we run, making it directly transferable to running. Then in the rebuild program, we begin to add volume in more challenging progressions without overloading or causing a flare-up. For example, in our slant calf raises, we're aiming for 60 reps in 3 minutes using a weight that allows us to do so without causing pain. If you hit your 60 reps, then next week you can increase the weight in front of you. At that point, you'll be ready for targets and you can start building up to those ankle targets that I mentioned earlier. 15 reps, single leg with 20% of your body weight loaded, 20 reps, double leg with 20% of your body weight loaded, and 15 reps, single leg with 20% of your body weight loaded. And for each of these, the form is the most important part. So make sure to check out the movement tutorial videos inside the program as you follow the program route, because ankle pain doesn't come from running too much, but it does come from running on ankles that aren't prepared for the running that you do. And the solution to fixing those ankle problems isn't to just continue running, hoping that they go away eventually, but it's to start building up your strength one pain-free progression at a time. The program route from Unlock to Rebuild to Targets now has thousands of success stories, hundreds of those being ankle success stories. So I'd be happy to help you through it anytime at runningability.com. I'll leave a link below this video so you can join whenever you're ready.